Honestly, Chidi, I am sick and tired of Mama. She's frustrating my husband. If she cannot respect and tolerate my husband in our house, she will leave me with no other choice than to send her out of my house.
Sister, I mean, I perfectly understand your point of view. It's not as if I'm saying you are saying the wrong thing, but this is Africa. How do you expect to throw your mother out of your house and don't take the blame for it?
I don't care. I don't care what people will say or what they think. This is my happiness. I mean, Mama, you're here. You saw everything. You see what she doesn't want to give us peace. So I don't have any other choice than to let her go for our own sanity. So I don't care what people think or what they say. Please.
Sister, I understand what you're saying. Please just take it easy on yourself, please. You're obviously very stressed out.
If not that she's my mother, what I would have done to her.
Sister, do you know that the other day, Papa even called me and he was wondering why Mama is still staying here.
Exactly. She doesn't want to go and take care of her own husband. She's bent up frustrating my own husband.
Sister, it's going to be fine. Please, just don't stress yourself.
Who's there? Please check who's at the door.
Sure. Baba, you're welcome, man.
Hey, Mama! Hey, my daughter. Welcome. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
You're looking good.
Your son is obviously taking good care of you.
Just my son. I know what you can do.
Sit down.
Hey, thank you.
What a surprise visit. Sit down, sit down.
Hey, hey, Mama, come on.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey.
Thank you. You can sit.
Hey, I came for a wedding in Delta here.
Okay.
But the ceremony didn't start on time. So I decided to come here and spend the night. In the morning, I'll go back to the village.
Mama, you don't need to explain yourself. This is equally your house, so you can stay as long as you want.
Chupu gozie again. Eh?
You're welcome, Mama.
Where is my son?
He's in the room. I'll get him for you.
It's okay.
For the meantime, relax. Like I said before, this is your house. Tell me what you want to eat, drink. Feel at home, Mama.
I'm so good to see you. Thank you.
Mama!
Hey? I was hearing a voice that sounded like yours. So I decided to come and see things for myself. Onyeka. So, it's true. Eh?
Mama, I don't understand.
So this is what you have subjected yourself to, or they have subjected you into, all in the name of marriage.
Mama, nobody subjected me to anything. As you can see, I'm making food for my mother-in-law. By the way, why didn't you call me before coming here?
Eh? Are you asking me? Did that fool, that witch, did she inform you before coming here?
Mama,
And I'm joking.
Mama, please stop.
And you are here enslaving yourself because of her.
Mama, stop.
Onyeka. Didn't be fine. Apron. So you are now the chief cook in this house. Oh yeah?
Mama, you were supposed to call me before coming. You know that.
This is what has been going on. This nonsense must end today. Okay, end. Can you be far? Eh?
Where are you going? Mama. Mama.
Sister of mine.
are you doing here? What have you come here to do?
The same thing you came here to.
What is that supposed to mean?
It's bad to How about the joke again? I heard you have been causing problem for my son and enslaving him at the same time.
Mama, no, I didn't tell you that. Nobody's enslaving me. I didn't say that to her.
Mechion again.
Freedom fighter. So you came to protect him because of rumor mongering that you are. You came to cause trouble in my daughter's house, up here?
Evelyn, whatever charm you are using on my son is destroyed right now. I cannot sit back and watch you intimidate my son in his own house.
Did you just say your son's house? Your son that cannot afford a 5-inch nail. You don't know, this house belongs to my daughter. And as it is, you, the intruder, will not sleep in this house tonight. Zero.
Evelyn, bitterness will choke you till you die. This house belongs to my son by virtue of marriage.
Mama, the house is not mine. It is for her.
Hey, one more. Is this singular truth you said? You will go far, even to prison. You will go.
No it's problem. You that will go to prison, not my son.
Your son has told you you're coming to dig. Reap where you did not sow. Go digger. The house belongs to my daughter. You're coming by virtue of marriage. The house belongs to my son. So my daughter, Baba, know your son now. That is what it means.
Shut up!
No matter how you knock this night, this house, you will not sleep it. Over my dead body, will you sleep in this house tonight?
Be ready to die. Be ready to die because I must sleep here and you have nothing to do about it. You cannot do anything.
Let's see how it goes. Leave this house.
It's time I teach you a lesson.
Enough.
Please, behave yourselves. Please, what is all this? This house is big enough. Nobody is going anywhere. We are all going to sleep in this house this night.
Madam, this one is a big lie. Oledo, this house could be your house, but I am your mother. So I am the chief owner of this house. Decide who sleeps and who does not sleep. She will not sleep in this house. Yes! You will not sleep in this house. You, this stupid woman, idiotic woman, you will not sleep in this house this night.
Evelyn, you are the one that is stupid and idiot. It's high time I taught you a lesson of your life. What is your problem?
Mama.
Chief owner.
Mama, fight now. Mama.
Chief fight me. What are you
Please. Please, Mama, please. Mama.
You're coming to drag where you don't belong. How can that go say, man?
Mama.
Drag. Want to sleep where you belong?
Come, let me show you something. Come.
Don't show her.
Mama, don't fight now, Mama.
If you're a body.
Mama, please, let's see that.
And as well as that, is all. You're dragging property.
And why are you doing this now?
Shut up! Didn't you see when she came to attack me?
I didn't you listen to sister, you wouldn't have been fighting.
You fool.
What is it?
Mama, honestly, I'm not happy with you.
I should be the one telling you that. Do you realize that I'm here to save you?
To save me?
Yes.
Save me. I don't want anybody to save me, Mama. I'm not looking for who to save me.
I now know. I don't think you are normal at all. How can you allow that useless woman to reduce you to nothing in your own house? Don't shame me. Allow me to talk.
Mama, I'm very, very normal. In fact, tonight, you're sleeping in a hotel.
Hotel?
Yes.
What will I be doing in a hotel?
That's where you belong tonight, Mama. You're not sleeping in this house. I'm taking you to a hotel.
Omame, never. I must stay in this house. I will sleep in this house. And I will tell that stupid woman that the God I serve, my own God, is greater than all the charms in the whole world. Leave me! Let me talk! What is all this?
Mama, listen, you just do this for me. She will soon leave. Eh? She's leaving this house very, very soon. So just calm down. Just kindly sleep in your hotel tonight so that...
I'm not happy about this. Mama, I'm not going anywhere.
Mama, the hotel is nice.
How can I leave this
Mama,
hotel?
I'll take you to a nice hotel. Please.
Hey. Mama, I'm back.
Stop calling me Mama. I'm not your mother and I will never be. You might kisi bute milia. Load rukuya like that. Take it to the backyard. You see an empty container there. Offload the water inside. And when you are done, firewood, then when firewood do the nakoko there's the firewood there. Please help me and break it.
Mama, I broke the firewood yesterday.
Shut up. Will you just close your mouth? Yesterday and today, is it the same thing? It you cannot know kwakita. Now, go and break the firewood. And when you are done, let me know.
Baby, don't worry. Sorry. Let me go and do it. I have strength. Oh, I'll prove my love for you. Oh, Mama, you don't know me. Oh, you don't know me, Mama. You don't know me.
Easy. But Mama, you should have allowed him to rest a bit. He's been fetching water since morning.
And so what? Let him keep fetching the water, doing the housework now. He wants to prove his love to you. Obria, let him prove he's being man enough.
Chukodi, you don't have anything to say in this matter.
Biko, don't even involve me in this. Biko, don't even try it. Am I Mama?
Mama, you did not even ask him if he has eaten anything since today. He's a human being like you. It's not fair.
Amobi, what are you hiding?
Mama?
Amobi! So, Amobi, you're still smoking? I thought you swore to my daughter not to smoke again. Amobi, get in here,
Mama? Mama,
His matches.
It's not like what? Amobi, I'm disappointed in you. How could you be smoking in my father's compound? How could you?
As you of all people should understand how these things go. It's not like I started smoking again, Mama. I mean, as you can see, I thought so much today. I worked very hard. I just needed to chillax my body, you know.
You need to chillax your body.
One stick, just one stick.
One
Can't wake up one now.
Of candle. For prayers,
Decide to smoke. Amobi, must you smoke? Must you? Hey! Amobi, so you've worked hard?
Yes, now.
What have you done? Can you look good?
Things that I did, fresh water, everything.
Amobi, when I am still planning for us to go to the farm and harvest cassava.
Oh.
Hey!
yes, no. You heard, Mama.
Mama, you're going to the farm today?
Yes, today. We did not just plan to go and harvest cassava. We will peel it, grind it, sun-dry it, and possibly carry it to the market.
What's it all work? Go ahead.
So a lot of work to be done. Okay.
So, Onochirim. You people want to use me. So you are even planning to go to the, you said to the farm. Harvest cassava.
Bon.
Peel it.
Yes.
Grind it. And possibly take it to the market.
Exactly.
Asonuku na.
To prove your love.
No, Asonuku. See, Mama. I am done proving my love. Biasa. This your love should be on hold on for now.
What are you saying?
Okay, you get that's your love now.
What are you saying?
I don't want again. So Unu cheer him. Unu cheer him.
Amobi.
Guy. That cheer him.
Look at it. You see lazy boy. You see lazy boy. This is how he take care of you. Mama. No, I thought you will take care of you. Look at how he will take care of you.
Mama, what is wrong with this one?
Nani need you.
Mama! You feel out there, May. You don't have shame.
Mama! Mama, you should have beg him. Nobody does it better than him. I can't beg him. You should have beg him.
Opala.
David.
Look what I found.
Huh?
I saw this in your wardrobe.
What? No, it's not mine.
Of course I know it's not yours. How did you get there? Who?
Are you sure it's not your own? Let me see.
Babe, stop. Don't turn everything into a joke. This is a serious matter. Someone obviously dropped this in your wardrobe intentionally.
It's not a joke. I was trying to know if it's your size.
It's not my size. Don't you know my size?
That's true. It's not your size. But who dropped it? Huh?
I think I know who dropped it.
Who?
I know who did this.
Where
are you? Babe! I got you!
What? You're not supposed to see me. You're supposed to pretend you didn't see me.
But I saw you.
Huh?
Yes, I saw you.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for you.
Why are you looking for me?
I'm looking for you.
Why are you looking for me?
I'm looking for you. Let's see.
What now? Why are you spoiling this game? What is it?
Tired.
Huh?
I'm tired.
Sit down. You're tired? Sit down. Sit. Sit. Do you feel better? Do you feel better?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I have a reason for asking you. So we can continue the game, right?
Yes. Agunku, that boy has hurt me beyond my expectations. Therefore, I don't want to see him breathe anymore.
So now you seek to send him to afterlife?
Yes.
Let me ask again. Are you certain about this?
Yes. Let him die. I want him dead. Yes. on somebody else's money. Enjoy!
Mama, can I make something for you?
What are you doing? Huh?
Ma?
What are you doing? Where is Oli?
I'm eating.
You're eating. You're eating. It's only a foolish man that is happy when he's being fed by his wife. What is wrong with your two hands? Can't you go and look for something to do with yourself? Mama, lazy idiot.
When you called me, I was eating.
You see? What are you doing there? Idiot. Why are you always cheerful? When you should have been hiding your face in shame. If I let to go to give for once, oh better. Ewu. Where is Oledo?
Ma?
Where is Oledo? Somewhere?
She went to the market with her brother. They will soon be back. I called her on the phone.
And you're laughing?
I'm happy because she will soon be back.
Hey. Don't you know that you're the one that is supposed to go to that market?
I don't have a problem with that, Pa.
Then get me this stockfish I asked you to prepare for me. You're getting on my nerves.
Okay, Ma.
Drop that plate! Okay, come and drop the plate! Okbo. You're looking at it so that whether you carry it or you... Idiot.
Mama, water. There's pepper. Are you back?
Yes, I'm tired. I'm hungry.
See, I told you not to go to the market. So it's okay. I made something very delicious for you.
So hungry.
Come.
I hope you will not forgive me.
You should have left that for me to eat. I'm the one that is pregnant to eat.
Sister, I'm so sorry because myself, I think I'm pregnant too.
Pregnant with what?
Somebody help!
Chidi, what?
Hey!
Chidi!
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 Hey!
Chidi, what is it?
Chidi!
Chidi!
My
Mama!
stomach! Chidi! My
Chidi, what is it?
Chidi! My stomach!
What happened?
My stomach!
Chidi!
My stomach!
What happened?
My stomach!
What?
Ah! Chidi!
What
What did you give him when you went to the market? What did he eat?
Mama, he didn't eat anything. That's why we came back hungry and tired.
Wait. What did you give him now that he came back from the market?
Mama, I'm still cooking. I've not given him anything.
So what is wrong with him now?
Okay, except the small watermelon on the table. He took the watermelon on the table.
Oh, that watermelon I was eating.
Yes.
Okay.
Hey!
Sister, help.
Hey!
Mama, let me get my car keys. Let me get my car keys and take it to the hospital.
The world of the poor, the world of loneliness, intimidation, molestation, chukwi no kwaya. Shimo, okwa nwobenye na kpogio. Gbatara ya senye maka, nobi mada joka.
My heart is shattered. What have I done to myself? Oh, Chidi, my sweet boy. Will I ever recover from the shock of your death? Knowing that I am the one that caused it. Will this guilt ever leave me? Onyeka, you devil. You have cost me the precious life of my son. I'll never let this slide. You must die this time around. And I'm not going to fail. This is the house address. Take it. Killer, take it. What is that, Killer? Once you get to the house, kill him. Do not show him mercy.
One question.
Go ahead.
Does he live in that house alone?
No, he lives with my daughter. Do not touch her. But you see the man, he is the only one in the house. Once he opens the door, come check who is at the door. Shoot him and kill him instantly.
So Mama, I say if you Facebook him, Munakam.
Exactly.
No shaking.
But I want this work to be done immediately. Delay is dangerous. You'll get your alert by noon today. Alright? Like I said earlier, kill him. Do not show him mercy. He's the only man in that house, so do not touch my daughter.
Mama, don't worry. As you see us, so we'll be chief strikers. You can count on us.
If you see our attacking formation, not dead. But Mama, you're supposed to give us one for road.
Don't worry. Once the job is done, I will send the whole money to you.
Mama, supposed to give us something.
Don't worry. Don't you trust me?
Thank you.
Amobi, what a surprise visit. What a surprise.
Keep your hand. Keep your hand to yourself. So you are still in this house? Onyeka, so you are still in this house?
I don't understand. I live here.
How will you understand? I mean, what will you understand when you've kept my parents in agony by killing my only brother? You killed my only brother. You think we don't know? No, you think we don't know you killed my only brother and you're still holding on to my only sister, even against our witch, Onyeka. Are you this mean? No, are you this mean?
No, how can you say I killed your brother? I can't. Why should I do that?
Oh, you think we don't know? You don't know that we are aware on your plans to even kill my sister and take over everything she owns. But you have failed. I'm here. I am here, Onyeka. I am here. Go get me food. I'm hungry.
Huh?
You too, huh? I said go get me food. I am hungry.
Can you sit down?
Do you actually need to offer me a seat in my own house? Do you think I own a seat here? In fact, I own this house. I am the first son of my father, and this house belongs to my own kid sister. Go get me food.
What do you want to eat?
Go get me whatever you have in the kitchen. Question and answer. That's all you know how to do. Television.
There's Gary, but the soup is cold. Do you want it like that?
No, bring it frozen.
Frozen?
Yes, bring it frozen. So you want to kill me also, Abi? I'm here for you.
Iced. Okay.
Goodbye.
You killed my son. Devil, you killed my son. You killed my sons. What have you done to you? You were sent to come and destroy my children and I. And you killed my son. God will judge you for the rest of your life. You will pay with your life.
Mama, point of correction. I didn't kill your son. He was shot by gunmen.
You did. You killed my son.
Which was probably meant for my son.
Angelina, what do you mean by that? Did you send them? Did you? Angelina, sorrow will never depart from your generation. I curse you, I curse your children. Your children will die and you will bury them yourself. You will suffer. Angelina, you will suffer.
Evelyn, calm down.
There's no need for this now.
I want this bastard to leave my daughter alone. I want him and he brought this curse upon us.
You remember they are my children too.
You will pay. I will not let this go. You will pay. You will pay.
They are my children too. Please, just calm down. Calm your nerves. I know how it is. Please, you may leave now. For now, please leave us alone. Please, go.
My daughter, God knows that my son has never hurt a fly. And he can never think of taking a life. I don't understand what your mother is saying. My mother is grieving. You don't have to blame her for anything she says. Yes, I understand. But we are not evil people. We are good people. Whatever that happened to your brothers or whoever that killed them, it was quite unfortunate. We have no hands in it. I did not kill them. Neither did my son.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. I believe God knows what happened. We don't understand, but whoever killed them must be exposed. It's okay.
Yeah, the person will be exposed. It's okay, my daughter. It's okay. Get busy now.
My elders. First, it was my son Chidi. And this time around, my son Amobi. My pride. The reason I stayed back in this not too comfortable marriage. This man, you see, is very difficult. And he too is gone. My sons are dead and they're not coming back. I am convinced Onyeka killed my sons.
Evelyn.
Evelyn what? Evelyn what? Evelyn what? If Oledo, if you had supported me to make Oledo end whatever she had with that man, with that boy, would all these things happen? The boy is very, very ambitious to become the only son of this family so that he will inherit everything my husband labored for. And the things Oledo, my daughter, has as her husband. Can't you see the motive is strong? That is his reason for killing my children. So that we inherit everything. Therefore, he killed my sons.
Madam, do you realize you are making a heavy accusation here?
Yes, I realize that I'm making a very strong accusation. He who wears the shoes knows where it pinches. Onyeka must swear before Nkulo, our chief priest, to prove his innocence before my heart will be at peace. Yes.
My brothers, I never discussed this with my wife at all. I don't know what she's talking about.
You have seen how difficult he is. His sons died. He's looking for who to discuss it first before he will come up with anything. Since Maduka does not want to call a spade by its name, Onyeka must swear to prove his innocence. Oath. That is what he will swear to.
Maduka, I am sure you have a lot to discuss with your wife. We will give you till tomorrow morning to come up with a request. And it must be unanimous.
I am saying his mind. Whatever I said here, it is our collective mind. I spoke.
Collective what?
He must swear to that oath.
Madam, your husband, being the man of the house, must give his consent on this before we let this matter or this information to Onyeka and Ukulo, the chief priest.
Mama, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? You know my husband is innocent. He couldn't have done that, and you know it, Mama.
I don't know anything. I'm not in the mind of your husband. So let him swear to prove his innocence.
That boy is not going to swear to anything.
Thanks, Papa. What did you say?
You heard me. I do not know why the gods allowed this to happen to me. If it is a wish of the gods that I'm going to lose my 2 sons at the same time, they will go before me, so be it. Please, madam, allow me to grieve over the loss of my children, since I'm going to live with it for the rest of my life. Please, I'm begging.
The killer of my sons cannot be walking freely while they are down below. No way. I am convinced Onyeka is behind their death. Mama, what?
How do you know that, Mama? What if you are wrong? Did you see him killing them? I'm equally convinced that you are doing all this to humiliate my husband further. Yes.
Let him swear to that oath and prove his innocence. Then I will let him be. For that oath, he is swearing it, whether you like it or not.
And I said no. Capital no. What is your problem?
Manuka, he is taking that oath.
I said no. He will not.
He will swear to it, whether you like it or not.
Are you my husband?
Agonko, nobody is agreeing to the oath taking, especially my husband. He needs to agree before the elders will consult with Nkolo, the chief priest. That means they need his consent.
He will agree.
He will?
Don't you trust Agonko anymore?
No, of course I trust you.
Then go home and you will be surprised at what you will see. As for the oath taking, don't be troubled. Agonko is in control. But make sure that you have the beads I gave to you on your waist before the oath taking. Onyeka will be the one that will fall. He will be cursed for the sins of many.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Go home.
I believe you. I believe you. Shall be on my way.
Honestly, I am disappointed. And I find it difficult to believe that Madoka will support this. My son will never swear before any deity. We are Christians, and as such should not practice diabolism.
Mama, I'll swear the oath.
Yeah?
I'll swear the oath.
Never.
I will. If that's the only way I can prove my innocence.
But you did not kill him.
That's why I want to swear.
My love, I don't want you to swear. I don't want anything to happen to you because I don't know what is going on anymore. All of a sudden, my father seems to be agreeing with everything that my mother is saying.
I'm surprised. Because just yesterday, he refused my brother involving himself in anything that has to do with oath swearing. But today the story has changed.
Exactly. Please, my love, I don't want you to swear, please.
He might have slept over it. And somehow I don't blame him for irrational decision. But my problem is forcing my son to swear against his belief.
Mama, I'm willing to swear before any eternity, and that's final.
I don't want anything to happen to you. I don't want anything to happen to you.
That is my problem. I
don't want you to swear, please.
I will.
Hey.
Kona Wandem, my sister, my heart is so heavy with bitterness and regret. I should have taken your advice when you advised me to end his life once and for all. Even when I told you I was going to kill him, I didn't go ahead with the plan because I was more interested in inflicting pain on him so that he will suffer and die slowly. And right now I cannot get a hold of me. I'm so pained. My heart is breaking in pieces.
I feel your pain so much. And I hate to say I told you. But all the same, it has happened. I am sorry. Please accept my condolence. I am sure you're not see reasons with me why this boy needs to die.
With my full chest, that boy must die this time around. Because his fate has already been sealed by Agunko on my side. Once he takes the oath, right before the glare of the villagers, he will suffer and die because he'll be caused by the sins of many. If no go scot-free this time, he will die.
Good. I can't wait to hear the good news. At least it's going to help you heal from the irreparable loss.
What will bring my children back? What will bring my sons back? Also, even if that boy dies 1,000 times, it's not enough to bring my children back.
It's okay.
And let him die first. Let him die.
He is going to die.
Our son, we heard what happened. And we're sorry about that. As for the oath swearing, we, your uncles here, we are solidly behind you. You have nothing to worry about.
Yes. It has never been heard of in our lineage that we kill people. Yes. Never. You will not only swear to prove your innocence, but to shame our detractors.
You must surely be proven innocent. God will fight for you.
What about your son? He's in a meeting with his uncles. Ojugo, I am worried about the whole thing. How can I fight this? How can I?
Fight what, Okwa? What are you fighting? Yeah?
You know, we are Christians. Why do they want to make my son to do what he does not believe in?
As it is now, if he doesn't swear, they will see him as a murderer. And I'm sure that's not what you want.
For sure, it's not what I want. But my question here is, why can't they accept that my son did not do it? Why can't they? Must he swear?
You don't have to be scared. If he's innocent, nothing will happen to him. God will vindicate him. Eh? Stop being scared.
Honestly, I am scared and worried. My mind tells me that something might go wrong. Something might go wrong.
Then get on your knees and talk to God. You are a Christian and very prayerful. Kneel down and talk to God this night. Let him take control of what is going to happen tomorrow. You don't need to be scared. Being afraid is not the option.
It's okay.
Get into praying. Inugo?
It's okay. I've heard you.
You don't need to be worried.
Thanks for your advice.
Just keep praying. Eh?
Thank you.
Pray. Nothing will happen. Oh, can never.
It's okay. Thank you.
Sweetie.
Yes.
I'm famished. I'm very, very hungry. I need to eat food. Go get me some food to eat.
My love, I will give you food. But are you still giving me your support concerning tomorrow's oath taking?
Exactly, I'm supporting you. For the oath, that boy, Onyeka, must take the oath. Imagine the little rat, he thinks he's smart. All of a sudden take my daughter off me? No, it is not done.
Good.
He must take that oath.
Wonderful.
Watch me. I'm a human and I have blood running in my system. For killing my sons, my dear sons. Watch me and make sure that boy rots in jail. For life. Watch me. As far as it makes you happy, watch.
Good.
He will rot in jail.
For once, you have sense in that your small head. At least we'll get the justice we seek tomorrow.
Of course, justice at last.
Let me go fix your food.
Please do. Make sure it's my delicacy.
Thank you.
Justice at last. He must rot in jail.
Excuse me.
Yeah. At once there's peace in this home.
Konyekas attackers, arise, oh God, wherever they are planning it, wherever they are doing all the enchantment. Father, you say they shall surely gather. By the mention of Jesus, they will scatter. If the gathering is not of you, they will scatter. For this reason, by the power bestowed upon me as a child of God, by the power bestowed upon me as a servant of the living God, I worship you, Jesus. I serve you. My family serve you in spirit and in truth. We pray, oh God, that you arrest all the evildoers. You arrest all the evil manipulations. Attacking Onyeka, my brother. Attacking Onyeka, my brother. Let him be free. Let him be free. Let him be free. The Bible says that whoever is set free is free indeed. I command them to be powerless. I command them to be powerless. They should die. They will die. They will die. They will die. In the name of Jesus.
Amen.
In the name of Jesus.
Amen.
The name of Jesus is greater than every other name. That name is powerful. At the mention of Jesus, every knee shall bow and every tongue will confess that Jesus Christ is the Lord. For this reason, I make that woman, whenever they are gathering, whenever the penetration is coming from, whenever the forces is coming from, I resist them.
Take this and swear to your innocence.
There's something. Stop looking at me. What's that?
Say after me. I, Onyeka.
I, Onyeka.
Son of Mazi Elias Obidegu.
Son of Mazi Elias Obidegu.
Hereby swear with this offer.
Hereby swear with the offer.
That I have no hand in the death of Amobi and Chidebere.
That I have no hand in the death of Chidebere and Amobi.
If I am lying.
If I am lying.
Let this offer punish me.
Let the offer punish me.
Hey! No, don't kill me now. Man, don't kill me! Hey! Don't kill me. Don't kill me. I will confess. I will confess. I will confess. Oh, I will confess. I will confess.
Speak, woman.
I've been the one responsible for all the calamities befalling you, Onyeka. I've been the one. Yes, I've been the one doing everything.
What?
From that accident to where you killed that little girl. No, now. That's even that shows now is me. Oh, it's me. It's me. All those things that have been happening to you. I've been responsible for everything. The charm in my waist is the one that I use so that I'll manipulate my husband and the elders to do everything I wanted. Oh. It's not my fault. Oh. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. It was my sister that deceived me. It was Akunaya that deceived me. She introduced me. She introduced me to Agunkwo. Agunkwo has been the one giving me the chance to do all these things. I was trying to kill Onyeka, but Onyeka refused to die. Instead, my sons died. I was the one that sent those hired killers to come and kill Onyeka. Instead, they killed Amobio. They killed Amobio. That's watermelon. I was the one that poisoned it. I was the one. Oh.
Evelyn! Evelyn!
I am sorry. I am sorry.
You killed my children!
I am sorry.
You did?
I can see a bagogono. I can see a bagogono.
My sister deceived me.
Hey! Hey! Wanka.
Why are you slapping me now?
She fall asleep. She fall asleep.
No, she's dead.
Oh, okay.
Ajonwani.
Wanka.
Ajonwani.
Our land.
Let us go.
Maduka.
Show yourself. If you are brave enough, show yourself. This is Agunkwo, the only mortal that sits in the council of the immortals. Show yourself. Hey. 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 Hey.
Have you seen? God is not a man. His thought is never like that of a man. Have you seen? Whatever a man sows, that he must reap. Life is not as you think. Have you seen? God is not a man. His thought is never like that of a man. Have you seen? Whatever a man sows, that he must reap. Life is not as you think. Wickedness is so dangerous.